We shopped around a fair bit when we were looking at models and what we were going to choose as a business. We have some Leonardo scissor lifts. We have a 2.5 ton forklift. We also have a Husky skid steer. They're mainly used for moving equipment around, pretty much just to keep production running. We use them on a day-to-day basis. They're never not being used, so they're a pretty key part of our business. The staff love them. As soon as they got here and they got to use them, they were over the moon with the quality of them, how much easier they were to drive and operate. Yeah, they were a lot better. The reliability of these forklifts is second to none. They've been awesome. We've had no issues with them whatsoever. Toyota really stuck out for their after-sales service and their reliability on their machines as well. We'd heard nothing but good things. The team at TMHA was second to none. The amount of questions that I asked was ridiculous, and they always had an answer for me. Personally, I think the quality of the forklift is awesome. I really like the colour. That orange really stands out. Yeah, I can't fault it. They've been an awesome machine.